if you want to grow organically, if you want people to watch your video and subscribe to your video just because of your content and not because of anything, please, this video is not for you. But if you are looking for how to get your 1000 subscribers on time and how to get your watch hour, how to grow here on YouTube, how to get monetized on YouTube, this video is for you. And before you criticize me that this does not work, it actually helped me also. It actually helped me build my subscribers too, and it has been helping people. And if you go to big YouTubers, your popular YouTubers comment section, you are going to see it. They use it there too. They have been talking about it, and it's not only small YouTubers. And this is what you are going to be doing. Go to that your popular YouTubers channel, watch that particular video you want to watch, make sure you watch it from beginning to the end, subscribe to the person's channel, and go to the comment section. Comment something relating to that video. Don't comment another thing. Comment something relating to that video there. Then after that, you cannot stylishly write, small YouTubers, let's support ourselves, or let's grow together. If you say that, other people will come to under your comments and say done. That means they have subscribed to your channel. You have to go and subscribe to their channel. The reason it has not been working for many people is because a lot of people will they will not watch the video. They will just go ahead on that comment section, subscribe for subscribe. YouTube hates it. You may get the subscribers though, and the next day YouTube will just be reducing your subscribers, and you'll be wondering, why are my subscribers reducing? You'll be wondering, and the next day you'll be wondering, why are your subscribers reducing? It's because of this. So you have to watch the video from beginning to end, comment on the video, something relating to that video, before you go ahead to stylishly, as I said, stylishly write, small YouTubers, let's support ourselves. And the reason why some small YouTubers are not growing is because they prefer to subscribe to popular YouTubers channel than to subscribe to their small YouTubers channel. You have to support yourself. If you want to grow here on YouTube, we have to support ourselves. We have to subscribe to our channel and make sure anytime we see our video, we watch it so that we will grow together. You keep on supporting those people that are already grown. They are not going to watch your video. Those popular YouTubers, as you are commenting on their video, they are gaining it. They are earning money from it. But you now, you don't have anybody to comment on your own. But if you comment on somebody that both of you are growing together, that person will want to still come under your video, watch your video, and comment on your video. And with that, both of you grow together. So please, if you want to do this, if you want to get results, as I said, make sure you watch the video to the end, subscribe to the channel, then comment something relating to that video before you go ahead to stylishly write sub for sub. So that is the end of today's video. And if you have watched this video till this time, make sure you like the video, comment on the video, and share the video. And lastly, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And again, if you are looking for who to help you get your 4000 watch hour, I have been helping people achieve their goals on getting your 4000 watch hour. Just hit me up with my Gmail up here. See you all in my next video. Bye.